Marcella Baietto is working for you tonight with what happened in the courtroom today. Marcella?
John, this has been a back and forth issue for months now that has led finally to this petition for contempt of court against DHS, and it's also costing taxpayers tens of thousands of dollars.
According to court documents, the Illinois Department of Human Services is being petitioned for contempt of court by Sangamon County after a judge ruled the department failed to place unfit or inmates with mental health issues in proper facilities within a 20-day grace period.
We are not a mental health facility, we're a detention facility, so we're not equipped to handle people that the court has deemed unfit for trial. So they need help that we can't provide.
Sangamon County Sheriff Jack Campbell says this has been an issue for years now.
It's an obligation the state has, and they need to take care of that.
Sangamon County State's Attorney Dan Wright says the decision to file a petition came after a group of inmates were waiting for proper placement, leading to a more than $35,000 price tag for taxpayers.
The mentally ill inmates that had been ordered into the custody of DHS were not being admitted by DHS within the time period prescribed by law.
Now, this most recent situation involved these 11 inmates. Some have been waiting anywhere from 40 to nearly 100 days for a bed at one of the facilities, costing an average of about $53 a day.
It's not right that they've burdened us and the Sangamon County taxpayers with taking care of the inmates that they're obligated to take care of.
In a previous statement, DHS says they have an unprecedented backlog that has been made worse by the pandemic, leading to hospital operational issues, increasing referrals, limited capacity, and workforce shortages.
And yet we had more inmates in our custody that were deemed unfit than prior to COVID.
Now, we did reach out to DHS for an updated statement tonight, but we have not heard back on that yet. However, DHS's secretary is set to appear in court. That's going to happen on June 27th. And according to those court documents, it is expected that they will talk about the possible reimbursement of those inmates. Reporting live in Springfield tonight, Marcella Baietto, John Stacy, back to you.
Thank you, Marcella. The county state's attorney says that this is something that they're going to continue to monitor in case any more inmates are deemed unfit and will need to be moved to another facility.